I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Duolingo on piano. To begin your piano journey, start with a digital piano or keyboard. They offer great flexibility and quiet practice options. Focus on learning basic finger placement and identifying the white and black keys. Understand simple musical notation, like the treble and bass clefs, to read your first notes. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes daily to short, repetitive exercises, building foundational skills, just like a language lesson. Now, let's apply Duolingo's gamified approach to your piano practice. Break down any complex piece into small, manageable lessons or sections, just like language modules. Focus on mastering one new chord or scale pattern during each practice session, ensuring deep understanding. Use a timer for short, intense practice bursts, perhaps 15 minutes, to maintain focus. Immediately repeat challenging sections until they feel natural, reinforcing your learning effectively. Keeping motivated is key, so let's track your progress like Duolingo tracks streaks. Maintain a practice log to record your daily achievements and see how far you've come. Set small, achievable goals, such as learning one new song every 2 weeks, to build momentum. Reward yourself for reaching milestones, like mastering a full scale or a challenging chord progression. Sharing your progress with friends or family can also provide valuable encouragement. As you advance, expand your learning with diverse resources. Explore online tutorials and interactive apps that offer different learning styles and exercises. Consider finding a local piano teacher for personalized feedback and guidance on your technique. Joining online communities can connect you with other piano learners, fostering a supportive environment. Gradually increase the complexity of your pieces and technical exercises, continually challenging yourself to grow as a musician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.